I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchilada sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and a good quality broth. Don't forget a medium saucepan and a whisk to ensure a smooth consistency. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process much easier and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's create the base for our sauce, the roux. In your saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or oil over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden brown. This step is crucial for both thickening the sauce and adding a rich, nutty flavor. With your roux ready, it's time to infuse some amazing flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Let these spices toast for about 30 seconds to release their aromas. Then, gradually whisk in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Almost there. Bring your sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. The sauce should coat the back of a spoon. Before serving, taste and adjust any seasonings. This homemade enchilada sauce is perfect for your favorite enchilada recipes. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.